leaving the job, people. It's Friday. Yeehaw! I only work half day on Fridays, people. Anyway, oh yeah, put your seatbelts on too. Somebody might need you out there. I tell my girl every time I leave the house, if I don't make it back, I love you, doll. And she said, shut up. I said, baby, one of these days it'll happen, though. You never know, people. Always put your seatbelt on, and always tell your loved ones goodbye before you leave. Same thing with you, people. If I don't ever get back with you, I love you guys. And that's what I'm talking about, people. TGIF. Yeehaw! Let's hear that turbo sound one more time.